evening, buddies. This is Nilima Amit, a holistic life coach, a Reiki and Theta healer, and 2 times bestseller author. I've just come live to say a quick hello to you all. The weather is pleasant, no doubt. They are untimely rains, but yes, they show us that things will change. Things will change for good. In this moment, we all need to be just stay very positive, stay very centered, and there are very quick tips and techniques that we can use to stay that way. I know we actually get affected with all the news, all the things happening around us. I'm no different. Yes, there were a couple of days when I really got a little I wouldn't say affected, but yes, I revisited my past hurt or my past pain of losing my father when I, in last 15 days, heard a lot of my Reiki clients transitioning to afterlife because they were someone's father, someone's mother, and it affected me to some extent. But yes, I grounded myself. I did a lot of self-healing, positive talk, and it has helped me tremendously. And so I thought, let me just go live and talk to you all and just tell you all it's okay. The way the weather changes, in no time this will also change, and that's the reason I started with this group for affirmations. So if you want to have daily affirmations, I posted daily at 7:30 a.m. on that, and there's a friend, a buddy there who translates them into Marathi for the Marathi speakers who are comfortable with Marathi language. I welcome all the other buddies who know who are good in their own mother tongue, can come forward and translate them and post them there in their mother tongue, so that maximum people benefit from it. And I also want to tell you all, don't wait till the last moment to take treatment or healing, because then it is sometimes too late. The slightest symptom you see, I'm sure you can hear the rains and the winds behind me. So the slightest symptom you see, the slightest discomfort, and your body will tell you you're unwell, your mind will tell you. Try to understand whether it's fear that is gripping you and making you say that, or it is really your body telling you. Your body is going to give you signals. Read them and immediately take help. Go see a doctor. Online consultations are there. Go take a test. Don't be scared of the test. Test positive bhi aaya, but early stages mein aaya, तो you will heal. It is only and only this part of yours which is going to heal you, and that's your mindset, your attitude to look towards it. So the more positively you look at it, I am sure you will heal quickly. Go and speak to a healed patient who has been through it. Ask him, what was it, only the treatment that helped him to heal, or was it what he was talking here in his mind that helped him to heal? And keep counting your blessings, keep giving gratitude, do daily gratitude, do daily meditation, and also connect with each and every one whom you want to connect to. Just for a quick hi, hello, just pick up that phone, make that phone call, ask them how are they, because sometimes you just मन में रह जाएगा और करना रह जाएगा. So just go ahead and do, spread a lot of love, forgive the people who have done wrong to you, because you never know, you'll never get a chance to forgive them. So don't wait for them to come and say sorry to you. It's okay, कोई sorry नहीं बोलता है तो बड़ा दिल करके माफ कर दो, खुद को भी और उनको भी. So remember to have gratitude, meditation and forgiveness as your daily routine. It does not take more than 5 to 10 minutes to do all this. Just do it the first thing in the morning and you're set for the day. Don't let fear grip it. Being aware, being informed is different, and indulging in continuously in those news and in those talks is different. So be aware, are you just staying informed, or are you indulging into that continuous negative news and negative thoughts and negative talks. Go forward, help wherever you can help. If you can't help, just be at home. Just keep yourself very motivated, positive. The moment you are motivated, positive, around you it will start spreading to the people who are closer to you. And that is also more than enough. It is not necessary to go out and go and help someone. It's just more important to help yourself first, and then only you can help others. So you'll see a lot of people saying keep your cup full. Today I'm going to tell you, keep your cup full with a lot of positivity, a lot of forgiveness, a lot of love, and you'll see you'll be able to give that to everyone around you. And stay blessed. Remember, gratitude, meditation, forgiveness is the thing that you all need in your life right now. And not even only in this situation. When things become better, don't leave them. You hold their hand till the end of this journey of yours, and you'll see all the time you will be so smoothly sailing through life. Even if ripples come, they will not disturb you. You will be able to look at things very objectively and find a solution rather than just keep staring at the problem. I say this all the time, but this is the only truth of life. So friends, buddies, remember, meditation, gratitude, forgiveness, lots of love in your heart. That's all what you need. So I will say a bye-bye now. Stay blessed. And if you want daily affirmations to stay positive, join the group, which is Affirmations by One Life Many Journeys, and you will get daily affirmations. Come forward if you want to translate them in your mother tongue and post them on the group so the others with Hindi, other mother tongues can also find them useful. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, and thank you for watching me live and giving all your time. Thank you.